How to add emails and addresses to contact in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open phone app, click on contacts. Now here you will see contacts. Select contact that you want to add email and address. After selecting contact, click on information icon, click on edit, click on email. Now enter email. After enter email, click on save. After click on save, email will be added. Now add address. Again click on edit, click on view more, scroll down, click on addresses, intercity, interstate, postal code, country, and then click on save. After click on save, address will be added. This is how you can add emails and addresses to a contact in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.